Welcome this video. Video title is Transforming Your Back Patio Budget Friendly Idea for a Stylish Outdoor Oasis. Introducing your back patio is more than just an outdoor space. It's an stand of your home, a place when you can unwind, interest, guest, or simple enjoy a cup of coffee in the fresh air. However, creating a stylish and invite back patio do not have be broke the bank with a bet of creating an geographic plans. You can transforming your outdoor space into a beautiful oasis without compromise your budget. We explored the various of budget friendly back patio idea to help you make the most of your outdoor living area. Outdoor rugs. An outdoor rug is a budget friendly way to add color, textile, and comfort to your patio. Look of detail on weather resistant rug that can withstand the elements while provide a cozy feel underfoot. The right rug can tip together your patio decor and creating a defined string and dew area. Solved lights, transforming your patio into a magic space with a wine glass solved power, lights, ability, and energy effect. Solved light can in various style cap light lecture and part away lights geography place though light area you can patio not only add a charm impression but also extend the usability of your outdoor space into the even budget friendly decorations enhance your patio aesthetic with budget friendly decoration accept image like colorful throne pillow outdoor lighting and inspiration artwork can make a big impact. Shop, solve discount, store or create your own decoration use